The program, the safety leadership program, I enjoyed it because this is the kind of program I like. It's very interactive. It's not like just lecture there and just we keep listening and it's boring. It's interactive, different people from different experience, and the best thing is that we are here surrounded by safety leadership from all around the world, globally, in this field. So it's exposure for me to learn from these people and from the lecturer, and the different type of workshop they organized for us. It made us learn a lot, especially the session from yesterday. I learned a lot there, and the site visit as well. You can then relate to your actual job. Having the course, very interactive course, it's very the strength for me, the strength point. Plus communicating with, as I just mentioned, with all these leaders in this field, the safety. I learned about leadership and safety. To take the lead in safety, you have to be flexible. You have to be confident about what you know. You don't, because always as a safety we are accused of, like policing people. Like we are not there. We are there to support our employees. The main objective for us is to look after their health and safety. We'd like to change this perception, use these skills to change this perception, to see us, we are there as a friend, as a colleague, as buddies, just to help them and take care of their safety. Actually, me being in the safety and being qualified in safety and crisis emergency management already affected my personal life. Yesterday I was telling them some stories that how I brought safety from work and from my qualification to home. Now, what I like, because it's a professional course, giving you some tips and skills to adapt, I think this will make me like upgrade what the actual experience and actual qualification with whatever I learn from here. So yes, definitely yes.